Hello YouTube, it's Chris here. Welcome to my first unboxing video. After a long wait, I have finally received my Bonfus order and you'll be able to explore with me the content of the box. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm not affiliated with the company and I have purchased all products full price with my own money. When I received the package, I was shocked how light it was, like if it was empty inside. But after shaking it a bit, I could feel that indeed there was something there. So the first item is DCF Square Flat Tarp, Camo option. At the first glance it feels much lighter than the Luncheon One Pro that I use as my main shelter. It comes in matching Camo DCF bag. I really like the dark brown color. Next thing is DCF tent stakes sack to store my titanium stakes that I already own. This is the hip belt for my custom Altus pack. It's also made out of DCF and it feels really light. Bonfus has included really nice thank you letter, which is really nice of them, plus a small sticker. Next is a small hip belt pocket. And finally, custom 38-liter DCF Altus pack. I really like the size of this pack. For each hike I take less and less stuff, so this size will be perfect to accommodate all my current gear setup. I decided to go for just one shoulder pouch to carry small items or small water bottle. Mainly because the other shoulder strap is where my camera is usually attached. Now, let's put everything together. So the belt is attached to the pack with two plastic clips. But they feel quite solid and I'm sure they will hold the weight of the pack quite okay. So the hip pocket is attached with two rubber bungees, plus Velcro that goes around the belt itself. So the two side pockets, they feel very strong and the bungee will for sure hold even the quite heavy water bottles. So that's how the DCF fabric looks inside. At the back we have standard mesh pocket with shock cord and also ice axe loop. The pack feels very solid and I'm really happy with it, but for sure I'll have to spend some time to evaluate its performance during my hikes. Let's have a look at the tarp. I just can't believe how small and light this thing is. It's shocking that this can even be a shelter for 2 people. Here we have red reflective guy line. And the tarp itself, camo option. When you look at just one layer, it loses the brown color and it's more yellow and quite transparent. The tarp has attached tensioners at each corner and they are quite good quality. Let's have a look at the stakes sack. The DCF fabric is much stronger compared to the tarp itself and looks like it's going to protect my tarp from the stakes going through it when packed together. So that's it for today. I just can't wait to test it all during my next hike. If you would like to see a longer video covering all aspects of those products, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and maybe write in a comment if you are more interested in Bonfus DCF tarp or the Altus pack review. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.